In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Dropbox files securely. To get started, open Dropbox in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, click on Files so you can view everything stored in your Dropbox. This is where you'll manage the file or folder you want to share. Next, find the specific file or folder you want to send. When you locate it, right-click on it or click the three-dot menu beside it, and then choose Share. This opens the sharing options and gives you control over who can access your content. At this point, you have two main ways to share securely. The first, and usually the most secure, is to invite specific people directly. To do that, enter the recipient's email address in the sharing box. Then choose the permission level. If you select Can View, the person will only be able to open and read the file. If you select Can Edit, they'll be able to make changes. For sensitive files, Can View is usually the safer choice. After that, click Share. With this method, only the people you invite can access the file, which makes it a strong option for private documents. The second option is to create a restricted link. To do this, click Create Link, then open Link Settings. Here you may be able to limit access so that only invited people can use the link, or you can enable password protection if that feature is available on your account. Once the settings are configured, copy the link and send it to the intended person. If password protection is available, it's a smart extra layer of security. Go to Share, then Link Settings, and turn on the password option. Create a strong password that is difficult to guess. For better security, send the password separately rather than in the same message as the link. If you have a Dropbox plan that supports it, you can also set an expiration date. In Link Settings, click Expiration Date and choose when the link should stop working. After that date, the link will automatically expire, which is especially useful for temporary access. Finally, remember that you can remove access at any time. Click the file, choose Share, go into Access Settings, and then either remove a user or disable the link completely. For better security overall, use Can View for sensitive files, share links only with trusted people, combine password protection with an expiration date when possible, and regularly review who currently has access. That's how to share Dropbox files securely.